city. So a sweet young thing with her guns together and loaded, she sure was pretty. Brought my buggy to a screeching halt. I asked her if she'd like to live. She crawled right in and said thanks for the ride. My friends call me Salisbury swell. Well, long blonde hair was blowing in the wind as we were trucking up 41. And her jeans were tight and her blue eyes sparkled like diamonds in the sun. She talked about a lot of things on the way, and we got into town just about 9. It didn't take long for me to realize what Sally had on her mind. Sally swell took me for a ride as she made me late for my show. She taught me some things my daddy never told me, and I'm sure my mama didn't know. Well, now we got 3 kids and a big black dog in a little white house down in Jackson. Though Sally says Swift ain't a Swift anymore, she's just as swift as she was way back then. Well, now Sally Swift took me for a ride and she made me late for my show. She taught me some things my daddy never told me, and I'm sure my mama didn't know. And now we got 3 kids and a big black dog in a little white house down in Jackson. Though Sally says Swift ain't a Swift anymore, she's just as swift as she was way back then. Though Sally says Swift ain't a Swift anymore, she's just as swift as she was way back then. Once there was castles with maids to behold. So goes the story, as children we were told. Once there were knights with armor shining bright. Well, they had their maidens to hold them through the night. And love them through the night. True was the maiden to her knight, so brave and strong. But he had to leave her and journey all alone to face the dragon, breathing fire and certain doom. When he'd return, she would heal all his wounds and love him through the night. And the night would give his life to keep his maid safe and true. That kind of love you cannot find. Oh, but that's the love I have for you. I'll love you for all time. So do not worry, I'll keep you safe from harm. Well, I'll slay the dragon and I'll hold you in my arms. The vows I make will stand the test of time. When the kingdoms crumble